Hi everyone, in this video I want to give you a rundown of the 8 Brocades of Qi-gong along with hopefully some other energy information. So let me step back here and we'll get started. So start standing. Your feet can be touching or very slightly apart, and just bring yourself to this moment and fold one hand over the other, over our lower abdomen, our dantian. Keep a soft bend in your knees. Slight tuck of this lower abdomen area. Very gently tuck the tailbone under. Maybe let your eyes close for a moment. Relax your shoulders down from your ears. Come to your breath. Breathing in through the nose and maybe sighing out through the mouth. Remembering that Qi-gong is a cultivation, a practice, a manipulation of the energy in our bodies and getting them moving around and in places that our body needs them, that we need them in our daily life. So let's just start with holding up the heavens. So we'll come to a Wuji posture. That is our mountain pose in Qi-gong, and just very gently step one foot out and land nice and soft, that gentle bend in the knees, your arms to the side, and just stand for a moment. Feel the strength, the energy coming up from your feet up to the crown of your head. Continue this pace of breathing in through the nose and out through the nose. Begin by bending our knees, bringing our hands in front of us, palms facing up. And as we inhale, we lift. As we get to our chest, we turn our hands up over our head and hold. Maybe take a breath in and a breath out. The next time we breathe out, bring that energy back down over our body, the energy from the heavens, from our crown chakra down. Let's do that again. Inhaling, we flip the palms face up, straightening the legs as we come past our chest, holding up the heavens, that skyward energy. This helps turn on the triple burner, our lungs, our heart, our stomach, our digestion. As we exhale, bring that energy back down. One last time. Inhaling, drawing up. Overhead. Keeping a gentleness in our joints and our shoulders and our neck, in our hands and in our wrists. A gentle activation. The next exhalation, coming back down over the body. And as we inhale, we straighten our legs, turn our palms forwards just a bit, and stand in that Wuji posture, allowing your body to absorb that holding up the heavens. Continue to breathe. We're going to go into wise owl gazes back. This is good to open up the arteries and veins in our neck and get some blood flow and oxygen to our brain, releasing tension in our shoulders. So let's inhale here. It's a very simple movement. As we exhale, we turn our palms out, thumbs pointing gently behind you. We look over one shoulder. Take a breath in here. As we exhale, we may bend our knees, bring our palms forward, a little more energy in our lower body. And then standing back, we look over the opposite shoulder. Keep those arms gently active. And then returning to the middle. Again, bring those arms forward, bend the knees. Standing back up nice and tall, looking over the opposite shoulder. Only going as far as your body allows you to comfortably go. Coming back to the middle, sweeping those hands in front. And then one more time, looking over the opposite shoulder, opening up, making some space between our shoulders and ears. And as we inhale, we can just return to center, Let the hands relax and come back to that Wuji posture, that mountain pose, this base where we stand and we stand in our power. We're going to separate the heavens and the earth. And this is quite fun. This is it's like disco dancing. It's quite neat. So let's bend our knees, bring our hands in front, palms face up. We'll inhale, start to lift both hands and pause here. And then as we exhale, let's bring our right hand down and our left hand up. Reaching up and reaching down. That top palm turns just like we did in holding the heavens. And this right hand stays facing down. Take a breath in. And as you exhale, bring both arms down, slowly turning them so they face each other, bending the knees. And then back up. So now the left hand presses down, the right hand presses up, making some space in the side of our body, opening these lung channels. Take a breath in here. As you exhale, spinning the hands to face each other as you bend the knees, they come to meet. And then back up the opposite way. So again, this left arm gently pressing up, this right arm pressing down, making some space in our body. Helps improve some coordination as well. The last one, breath in. And then as we exhale, coming back down, the hands gently graze each other with their energy, separating one from the other. Inhale here. And then as you exhale, bring both hands to the center and then standing back in that Wuji posture. Coming back to home, taking a moment to notice. Breathe and feel the energy, how it's changing in our bodies. We're going to bear looks for bees or sway head and shake tail, whatever it is. Let's go ahead and step our feet just a bit wider. And always keep a nice, relaxed posture. If it gets too effortful, step it back a little bit. So go ahead and place our hands on our hips and bend into our knees, keeping that belly tucked in, the tailbone under. We'll take a breath in here. As we exhale, we drop our right shoulder down, pressing this right hand into that right knee, and then just looking over the left shoulder. Inhaling, coming through the center. As we exhale, pressing the left hand in, looking over the right shoulder. Very good. Breathe in, coming through center. And then exhale, twisting back to the left. Inhaling through center. And one more time. Exhaling. And then inhaling back to center. Let's keep our legs like this. Just give ourselves a break. The bear looking for bees really helps twist, detoxify our body. Good for the liver, the spleen, and the intestines, the digestive system. Everything here is really getting a wringing out. Pardon the plane and the garbage truck. Stick with me. I'm going to punching with angry eyes, or maybe gentle fist, however you want to call this. So a similar posture to the bear looking for bees. We're just going to go ahead and sink straight down into this. So we want to keep our hands nice and gentle. As we make a fist, maybe you close each finger individually and then gently put the thumbs over top. All right, so we're not gripping it. We're just keeping them closed gently. And we're going to add some movement to this. So we're just going to twist just a little bit with our punches. So take a breath in here. As you exhale, open the eyes wide. This helps draw some attention and bring some energy to our awareness. And as we twist to our left, we turn that right hand over. And then inhale, open the hand, turn the hand over, and draw back in. Very good. Inhale. As you exhale, open the eyes wide. Open that palm, twist it back over, draw it back into the body. Very good. Inhale. As you exhale, twist to your left, turn that fist over, open that fist up nice and big, and draw that hand back in. Inhale here one more time. As you exhale, turn that left fist over. Open that hand, turn, and pull back in. Very good. Then you may stand straight back up. Give those legs a little rest. Feel the energy here. Opening up, strengthening our hips, our legs, our quads, our hamstrings, our core. Everything here, these leg gates, bring everything from the earth up and also lets us cleanse ourselves as our energy goes back down. So know that all of these things have a role to play in how your energy moves. Go to the archer, one of my favorite ones. Archer is so very fun. So the same posture in our legs. So let's just go ahead and bring our hands, our right hand rather, in front of the left. So this is our base. There's so many variations. These ones are just going to be really simple today. So let's take a breath in. And then as we exhale, this hand in front, the right hand, turns out. And the left hand gently pulls that bowstring back. Shoulders relax. And you let that arrow fly. Inhaling, drawing this arm out. And then exhaling, bring the arms back in front. And this time, the left hand comes in front. Inhale. As you exhale, turn and look to your left. Let that arrow fly. Inhaling. Exhaling, coming back to the middle, the right hand in front. As you exhale, turning that right hand out. Looking over the right shoulder, drawing that bowstring back. Let the arrow fly. Inhale. Exhale, last time. Bring that left hand in front. Exhale, turn that left hand out. Gently pull that bowstring back. Inhale, let the arrow fly, and then come on back up. Breathe. Let that energy flush down and out your legs. 2 more in these 8 brocades. We'll go bend forward, bend back. I know, it's a pretty plain name, but it brings a lot of mobility to our spine. So let's go ahead and step your feet back together. Feet coming straight out of the hips. And I'm gonna turn a little bit so you can see what I do in this one. So first, we're going to bend our knees, palms face up. Inhale, bring some energy up. And then we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna bring our hands down to our lower back here. Maybe they're like this, maybe they're palms flat on the back. Maybe they're here. But what we're going to do is we're going to gently press into our hips, squeeze your shoulders back, and then maybe gently look up. This shouldn't compress your lower spine. It should just allow you to get some curvature in your spine through your upper back and your neck. And as we exhale, we slide our hands down our legs, bending your knees as you see fit. It should not put strain in your lower back. And then go ahead and hold your feet. Hold them for just a moment. Take a breath in. Bend your knees well. And then as you exhale, standing back up. And then just go ahead and slide your hands right back around to your lower back. Pressing back, inhale. As you exhale, push the hips back. Bend the knees, coming down the yang side, this yang meridian on the outside of our legs. Holding our feet for just a moment. Inhale. Bend the knees, and as you exhale, standing all the way up. It's perfectly fine to round the spine as you come back. And then inhale, one more bend backwards. Exhaling, folding forward. Let your hands massage your legs. Warm up some of that energy. Holding your feet for a moment. Inhale. Bend the knees well. Maybe drop your head and chin and then come all the way back up. And just return to that Wuji posture. Breathe. Feel the energy. One last exercise before we wrap up. So we're going to do, it's called drop the heels or shake the body. What it does is this brings some energy from your heels, from the earth, up in the form of vibration. So what we're going to do, we'll stand sideways again so you can see this, is we're just going to have our arms at our sides, right? That Wuji posture, so the arms are kind of loose, and then we're going to inhale, coming up onto the balls of our feet and our toes. As we exhale, slowly lower a little more than halfway, and then drop your feet, right? We don't want to go boom. We don't want to make an earthquake. We just want enough vibration to come up through our body. So let's do those again. We'll do 3 of these. Inhaling, lift. Exhale slowly, a little more than halfway, and then drop. Inhaling, lift. Exhaling halfway, and drop. Last time. Inhaling, lift. Exhaling a little more than halfway, and drop. Perfect. Awesome for boosting the immune system and just enlivening the cells in our body with some energy from our heels up. So feel that root chakra, that grounding energy coming up and coming out of us. So step our feet back together. We always want to close with a little bit of intention just as we open. So coming back, one hand over the other, over our lower abdomen, our dantian, the source of movement and energy, this house, this home for our life force and our prana. And just take some breaths here. Maybe close your eyes again. Feel the difference in your body after doing these movements. Breathing in and exhale. Maybe one more breath like that. Deep breath in. And then exhale all the way out. And allow me to thank you for taking your time to practice with me. And please give us all of your feedback, the things you would like us to share with you. Me and Melissa have been working hard at learning these new modalities, improving upon the things that we know and that our experiences. And we just really wish to share them with you so that you too can find something in here that benefits your body. So all that said, thank you for taking your time and spending it with me and sharing it with me and Melissa. Drop a comment, subscribe, share, and like, and do all the things that you feel compelled to do. Thank you again. We appreciate all of your feedback. Namaste.